And we're going to show you how to open and use press camera number 1. Again, these cameras are a little bit older than are all perfect. This one you'll need to apply just a slight amount of pressure in the top left-hand corner with a flathead screwdriver. Open the door, lock the rails, pick up the camera, and it'll then slide into the rail position. Push this to lock it in place. Then you're ready to put on the flash bar. Make sure you're using flash bar number 1. These will come wrapped. Carefully unwrap them. Make sure you've got it on the right side, facing front with the other camera. Get it started using your thumb. And tighten it with your flathead screwdriver. These should be hand tight. To use this flash, the battery slides in here. It's a 9-volt battery. Please don't lose the battery caps. Slide this on so you see the red. And then the flash press button is on the front of this bar. You can press it when the red light comes on. And it will flash 3 or 4 times per minute. Thank you.